Number 7. Han's cell phone plan costs $200 to start. Then there's a $50 charge each month. What is the total cost, startup fee, and monthly charge to use the cell phone plan for a month? All right. So these are my two pieces. I have a one-time fee and I have a monthly fee. So this is happening over and over and over and over. So this is my slope. This is my y-intercept. It happens one time at the beginning. Okay, I need to figure out, well, how much did it cost me after 1 month? Well, what's my equation going to be? Well, I'm going to do 200 plus 50 times how many months? 1 month. All right, in my calculator, order of operations, 50 times 1 goes first. 50 plus 200, it would be $250. That's all you have to do. Then it says, what is the cost for X months? So if I don't know the months, well, this is your typical y equals mx plus b. Slope, y-intercept. All right, well, y equals, my slope is 50 every month. So if I think about it as a fraction, 50 over 1 month. So I'm going to say 50x. Plus my one-time fee of $200. That's what you needed to get points for B. All right, down here, it says graph the cost of the cell phone plan over a period of 2 years using months. So that means I need to fit 24 months down here because that's 2 full years. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 lines. So I'm going to skip count by 2s. But I'm also just going to do 8s to save myself some space. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. All right. Then up the other side, I'm trying to think about, okay, well, 1 month was $250. So I'm going to be jumping. But after $250, I'm only going up 50 every time. So once I get to 200, it's not as big of jumps. Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10-ish lines. Well, let's just jump by 50s, hundreds. Let's do 100. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, and 1,000. All right. So I need to have it crossed at 200 right here. I need to go up by 50 every time, so be careful. Use your scale. For me, my scale is 100, so I have to go up half a line. All right, half a line over 1, but careful because this is 2. So maybe I'm not going to pick 1 month. I might pick a different number that actually fits on my number line. I'm also going to make a table to make it easier for me to know my points. I'm going to say month and money. So we said 0 was 200. If I pick 4, 4 times 50 is 200. 200 plus 200 is 400. If I pick 8, 8 times 50, 400 plus 200 is 600. All right, I have 3 points. That's good enough. So I've got my 200. 4 is going to be 400. 8 is going to be 600. Now I'm just going to draw my line roughly through my points. That's all I had to do for this one. D. Is there a proportional relationship between time and cost of the cell phone plan? No. Because I know for it to be proportional, it has to be straight line, which it is. But it also has to go through 0, 0. Okay? So make sure you're saying no because it did not go through the origin. Or you could have said 0, 0. I would have taken both. Okay? But no is not enough. You have to explain. And you also can't just say, no, it's 200. You need to tell me, no, the y-intercept was 200. Okay? You have to use some vocab words. E. Tyler's cell phone plan costs $350 to start. Okay, y-intercept. And then it's $50 every month. All right, that's my slope. So if I write my equation right now, y equals 50x plus 350. Got it. On the same grid as Han's plan, graph the cost of Tyler's cell phone plan for a period of 2 years. Describe how the two graphs are the same and how they are different. All right, so I still need to do some describing. I also need to draw up here. So I'm going to make a new table. Here's Tyler, just so I know my points. Month, money. Start with 0. I know that that's 350 for him. I'm going to pick the same points. So if I've got 4, okay, 4 times 50 this time is going to be still 200, but now plus 350. So this is 550. Okay, then I've got 8. All right, well for 8 times 50, again is 400, but now I've got plus 350, so that's 750. All right, let's see where we're at now. So 0, 350, so about here. 4, 550, about here. And 8, 750, about here. Draw my points. Interesting. Okay, now if I look, my points line up pretty perfectly. Okay, so something that's the same. These two lines are parallel. And we know if my lines are parallel, they're never ever going to cross. They are increasing at the same exact rate, which makes sense because look at their slopes. They are identical. So I would say same slopes. And the lines are parallel. Then different. The y intercepts. Because for the first plan, 200. For the second plan, 350. That's as easy as it was. All right, so make sure you make corrections. Let Miss Crew know if you need any help.